I remember back then you was frontin'. Now still like the Essex on me, and I ball like LeBron in the garden.
What's up, everybody? Today we're learning how to make natural airheads. But before that, let's talk about the airheads that might be in your grocery store that you might be consuming right now. Normal airheads have processed sugars and a bunch of different type of chemicals, and long term when you are consuming these, they lead to a magnitude of different issues and problems and deficiencies. So let's talk about that first. Airheads contribute to wrinkly skin, acne. Airheads unnaturally spike your insulin levels, so it leads to diabetes, unwanted belly fat, heart cancer and heart problems. These processed sugars and chemicals, when they sit in your teeth, they cause tooth decay. They're filled with empty calories, which have no nutritional value, no nutrients, no minerals, and yeah, this leads to more belly fat, unwanted fat, and other health problems. Airheads block off the creation of your natural hormone. So when they block your leptin, which is a hormone, it doesn't tell you when you are full from eating it. This is why on Halloween you're able to eat pillowcases and pillowcases of candy and you still want more. And they're highly addictive. So not only is this not doing anything good for you, but when you eat it today, you have a very higher chance of eating it tomorrow. And what this is going to do to you long term, everything I just said. And what's a problem without a solution? It's an ongoing problem. So without further ado, let's learn how to make natural airheads.
I remember back then you was frontin'. Now still like the Essex on me, and I ball like LeBron in the garden.
Take a look at this thing, and I'm like, dang, man, it's so new to me. Stay right here, cause yeah, baby girl, that's how it gotta be. She does her thing, and I say that is a fortune. She does her thing, you know I say yeah, that is a fortune.
So the key to actually achieving the airhead taste is by eating fruits consistently and trying to replace sugars, trying to replace those processed sugars and candies with fruits, because when you do so long term, your taste buds actually change, and fruits and different berries and cherries and other things taste 100 times sweeter than they once did, because your body is no longer used to eating that super sweet processed sugar, and your body is now allowing itself to accept the natural sugars once again. So I've been eating fruits and stuff like this in replace for candies for roughly about 4 years now, and then guys, I'm telling you, this tastes like candy to me. This tastes like candy, and I'm sure that there's many others of you out there that have done the same, and you guys know what I'm talking about. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, you just gotta try it out. You just gotta start replacing the processed sugars for the real natural sugars. So let's try these out real quick, and let's see if we can get a little reaction from the audience, get a little reaction from the people. So here we have a orange, watermelon, pineapple, apple airhead. And by the way guys, fruits are smart, so when you're eating something that, let's maybe say it's too citrusy, like a pineapple, when you try to consume as much as you can of it, there's like a cutoff point where like your tongue might start burning, or you'll get different signs that tell you that you've had enough. This doesn't happen with sugars that block off the hormones that are trying to tell you when you've ate too much and when you haven't. And these nutrients and these fruits overall are amazing for you. They're filled with fiber, nutrients, tons of water, minerals, and just everything that's going to fortify your body rather than wear it down. Alright guys, if you like content like this, like, comment, and subscribe. There's going to be a whole lot of more content on the way. How to make natural airheads. Purified Hustle guys, out with another one. Peace.
She's a thing, yeah. Take a look at this thing, and I'm like, dang, man, it's so new to me. She is a thing, and I say that is a fortune. She is a thing, you know I say yeah, that is a fortune. She is a thing, you know I say yeah, that is a fortune. So baby, rock for me. I'll turn light to a little dream if you want.